Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make maple fudge. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of pure maple syrup, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of butter. Also, have a reliable candy thermometer and an 8x8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful fudge-making process, setting the stage for delicious results. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the cooking much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your pure maple syrup, heavy cream, and butter. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently until the butter melts and everything is well combined. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally until your candy thermometer reaches exactly 235 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect fudge consistency, so keep a close eye on it for the best outcome. Once your maple mixture reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. Do not stir it at all during this crucial cooling phase. Let it sit undisturbed until the temperature drops to exactly 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow cooling is vital for forming small sugar crystals. Once cooled, beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer until it thickens, becomes opaque, and loses its glossy shine. This step creates that wonderfully creamy texture. As soon as your fudge reaches the right consistency, quickly pour it into your parchment-lined 8x8-inch pan. Work fast, as it will set up quickly. Smooth the top evenly with a spatula, then let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours or even overnight. Once firm, cut it into 1-inch squares and enjoy your homemade maple fudge. Remember to check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic book that offers valuable insights into managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.